Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Let's fly the M2 Explorer. I have repaired it with the plastic parts. Okay, so once again it's back on the plastic parts, which I broke on the very first day. Let's hope I don't crash it here today. Okay, so I have the stick cam as well today, and here we go. Okay, looks like okay. The pitch curves. I'm just doing mild 3D. I don't want to do anything hardcore, because any mistake right here, I will be crashing it in concrete, which I do not know how much or how many parts will actually survive. This dude walking on my runway because I'm the only one here, so I should call it my runway. I don't want to bring it behind me because that's where there's lots of sun behind me, you know. Look at it shoot, man. Control, my thumbs are shaking. Adrenaline is pumping in. I feel whenever adrenaline is pumping in me, that's where I will crash the model. So I have realized that it is better to switch back to 6G when you are in adrenaline mode and land, otherwise it will crash. Anyway, that was an enough demo for today. It's really hot. I don't want the battery to swell up. And besides, my radio is showing me time's up. That was a nice flight. I enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it too. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel.
just for you. Hit that like button right